In this short tutorial, I will show you how to remove someone from a WhatsApp group. Removing someone from a WhatsApp group is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Chats. After that, tap and select the group from which you want to remove someone. Then tap on the group name at the top left. And then scroll down to the bottom. Now you'll be able to see a list of members. What you want to do next is tap on this search button. And then type in the name of the person that you want to remove from the group. Tap Search. And then select that person from the search results. Then tap Remove from Group. And then tap Remove to confirm it. One important thing to note is that only admins or the creator of the group have the power to remove someone. If you are not an admin, you will not be able to remove a member from the group. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.